Hello, welcome everyone at TNV Academy. Today I will explore the subject what is food allergens, what are the major symptoms of food allergy and how to control food allergen. What is allergen management relevant to food safety? So first of all, what is food allergy? Food allergy is an immune system reaction that happens soon after eating a certain food. Even a tiny amount of allergy causing food can trigger symptoms. Food allergy is a disease that has become increasing over time across the world. It has become a growing concern worldwide. There is currently no cure for the food allergy, but effective care and emergency treatments are available. The general way to manage a food allergy is by eliminating the food from the diet, helps prevent symptoms and reduce risk of allergic reaction. What are the major symptoms of food allergy? Symptoms of food allergy can vary widely but typically appear within a minutes to a few hours after consuming the allergic food. They may include skin reactions such as hives, itching or eczema, digestive problems such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or abdominal pain, respiratory issue such as sneezing, running nose, wheezing or difficulty breathing, cardiovascular symptoms such as rapid or weak pulse, dizziness or fainting. Main is anaphylaxis, a severe potentially life-threatening reaction involving multiple body systems causing symptoms like swelling of throat, difficulty swelling or breathing, a drop in blood pressure and loss of consciousness. What are the common food allergens? Cereals, gluten, crustaceans, egg, fish, lupin, peanuts, soya beans, cow milk, molluscus, mustard, tree nut, celery, sesame seeds, sulfur dioxide, sulfites. Product labeling are an important reference for customers with food allergens. They provide product information to the customer and include an ingredient list. Customer with allergen may use this information to determine if food is safe to eat based on their allergen restriction. Customer with allergen may use this information to determine if product is safe to eat based on their allergen restrictions. Ensuring the safety of customer with allergy, food establishment has to declare allergens on the label. Food allergen information next to food that does not require a label. Provide allergen information if requested by a customer. Now, regulatory requirements. In many countries, regulatory bodies enforce laws and guidelines related to allergen management in food production and service industries. These regulations often mandate. In addition to that, several countries across the world have recognized the importance of providing information about the food allergens through label declaration. Countries like US, UK, India, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, etc. A few countries that have recently endorsed regulation or standard for food allergen labeling. Similarly, FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, has also regulated the declaration of 8 major ingredients that trigger food allergies. Any food that contain one of the 8 allergens like cereals containing gluten, example wheat, rye, barley, oats. Number 2, crustacean and their products. Number 3, milk and milk products. Number 4, egg and egg products. Number 5, fish and fish products. Number 6, groundnut, tree nuts and their products. Number 7, soya bean and their products. Number 8, sulfide in concentration of 10 mg per kg or more. In case if there are chances of presence of allergens due to cross-contamination, they shall declare separately as may contain statement on the label. Apart from the food manufacturers, food service establishments such as hotels, caterers, hospital, food served at religious gathering, food served in airline, railway, passenger vehicle should provide information relating to the presence of food allergen on their menu card or boards by means of symbol that can be easily understood by the consumer. Consumers shall read food labels and advisory statements carefully. Always read food labels before purchasing food products to check any allergen that may present, and also see advisory statements such as may contain allergen or produce in a facility that also uses allergen. These are used to address cross-contact, which can occur when multiple food with different allergen profiles are produced in the same facilities using shared equipment or on the same production line. They may result from ineffective cleaning or from dust or aerosol generated in the production process. What is the responsibility of food handler to prevent allergens in hotel, restaurants and catering, etc.? Prepare food with Known allergens after all other products have produced. Follow sequence as directed. Avoid cross-contamination. Wash hand thoroughly after handling known allergens. Keep aprons and clothing free of allergens. Follow a deep sanitation program to prevent cross-contamination. Keep dust down. Keep all ingredients of allergen close when not in use. Use only specified equipment and utensils dedicated for allergens. Now, what is a food allergen management program? Ensuring the safety of customers with allergy is a crucial responsibility for any food establishment. Allergen management is a system of policies and procedures that serve to identify, control, educate, and communicate the risk and presence of food allergens in your business. From raw material to finished products, from manufacturers shall establish allergen management program to control allergen contamination. It's contain number 1, identifying and labeling allergens. Clear and accurate labeling of food products of identify the presence of allergen. This includes listing allergen in ingredients list and using prominent allergen warning. Ingredient control, ensuring supplier provide accurate allergen information for all ingredients used in food preparation. Preparation of cross-contamination. Separation, establish separate preparation area or dedicated equipment for allergen-free and allergen-containing foods. Cleaning protocol, implementing strict cleaning and sanitation procedure to prevent cross-contact between allergens and non-allergic foods. Number 3, training and education. Staff training, educating all staff, chef, server, kitchen staff about food allergy, including symptoms of allergic reaction, the importance of allergen avoidance, and proper handling of allergic ingredients. Consumer education, providing information to consumer about allergen present in the food products and offering guidance on making safe food choices. Number 4, emergency preparedness, allergy action plans, developing and implementing allergy action plan for individuals with known allergies. These plans outline steps to take in case of an allergic reaction, including the use of emergency medication like epinephrine. Number 5, communication and collaboration. Communication with customers, establishing clear communication channels for customer to inquire about allergens and allergen-free option. Collaboration with healthcare providers, working closely with healthcare professionals to manage and support individuals with food allergy effectively. Number 6, documentation and record. Maintain thorough documentation and record keeping of all allergen-related information. Number 7, regular audits and reviews. Conduct regular audits and reviews of allergen management SOP to ensure that it remains effective and up to date. Finally, conclusion. Food allergies can be life-threatening and raising awareness and understanding about them is crucial. Food handlers, including chefs, servers, and food vendors, must be trained to recognize and manage food allergies. Food allergens are classified as a food safety hazard and should be taken seriously by all food handling enterprises. It is important to inform consumers of all food products containing food allergens. It is also the consumer's responsibility with a food allergy to take extra precaution when purchasing and consuming foods. Advice for organization and institution. Number 1, training and awareness, educating employees, staff, and the public about the food allergy and emergency response. Number 2, policies and procedures, implementing policies to prevent cross-contact and manage allergic reaction. Number 3, clear communication, ensure clear and accurate communication about the presence of allergen in food and environments. Thanks for watching video. Kindly do share this video with your friends to increase awareness about the food allergens.